A judge agreed Wednesday that a group of 4 advocates for prisoners' rights has legal standing to take Sheriff Timothy B. Howard to court if he or his aides again fail to report serious jail incidents to Albany. The 4 had hoped State Supreme Court Justice Mark A. Montour would go further and order the Erie County Sheriff to follow the state's rules on reporting serious incidents. Such an order would have laid the groundwork for a contempt of court citation if Howard and his staff again fell short. While Montour didn't go that far, the 4 considered it a victory when the judge rejected a county attorney's argument to dismiss the case because the 4 were trying to do a job reserved for the state agency that oversees local jails. Jeremy C. Toth of the county attorney's office said state law authorizes only the Commission of Correction to compel a sheriff to follow its reportable incident guidelines. In court papers, Toth said the 4 should sue the commission if they believed the agency had not enforced its rules. However, Anna B. Richmond of Buffalo, the lawyer for the 4, said all citizens have an interest in ensuring that the county holding center in downtown Buffalo and the correctional facility in Alden are run in a humane and constitutional manner, in a way that treats all of us with dignity and respect. She offered court decisions dating to the 19th century to bolster their argument that citizens could initiate such a case. Soon after those remarks, Montour denied Toth's request to dismiss the matter and said the 4 have legal standing. But the judge then denied Richmond's request to order Howard to follow the state's rules, because she had no proof that he wasn't. It appears to be all too speculative, Montour told her. The case sprang from a series of events that transpired over the past 12 to 14 months. Early this year, the Buffalo News revealed that Howard's Jail Management Division was categorizing inmate suicide attempts as individual inmate disturbances, a label that did not require an automatic report to the Commission of Correction. The news also revealed, months earlier, that the staff at the county correctional facility wrongly told the commission an inmate was hospitalized because he had been hurt in an accidental fall. In fact, the inmate had sought protective custody, didn't get it, and was beaten by the inmate he feared. Then after its own investigation, the commission found Howard's staff at the holding center also had failed to officially report the mistaken release of an inmate. So the Commission of Correction sent Howard a letter directing him to follow the reportable incident guidelines or face a lawsuit. The head of his jail management division, Thomas Diuna, responded in June with a letter assuring the commission that Erie County jail officials would follow the rules. The matter might have ended there, if not for an interview Howard gave the Buffalo News a few weeks later. Howard justified his staff's decision to label certain suicide attempts as inmate disturbances or manipulative gestures if they felt the inmate was only trying to gain sympathy and didn't really want to die. "I'm not willing to label that individual suicidal when medical and mental health professionals are not saying that," Howard said at the time.